All right, so today you should be working on your digestive and excretory system page. So if we look at the example site and what is needed on the excretory and digestive site, we have, again, the parts that make up each system. And you can use a picture, main function of each system, and how do the two systems work together. And again, you have pages in the book to help you as far as how they work together, moving materials in your body. And these pages here will give you more information about excretory specifically and digestive specifically. If you go to the Kids Health site, I've had some people ask for a little bit more help on this one. So for the digestive system, you would click on the liver, the stomach, for excretory system, you would click on the bladder, the kidneys, so those are the organs that you can click on to help you get more information about those two systems. Tongue can also be a part of the digestive. All right, so then I go back to my demo site, and I know I have two different systems that I'm talking about. So again, I think it's most beneficial to use this layout. I can make this section about the excretory. Can add information about the function, what's its job, what does it do, and add a picture. Your pictures are going to include kidneys and things like the brain pop video that we watched today. And so then digestive system and its function. And then again, your pictures are going to include like the stomach and the esophagus. And then I need the third part, which is how they work together. So if I want to, I can use this one. I can add a picture of them working together. And I can add a brief description. How do the excretory and digestive system work together. And I'm a little bit big here. And then down here in this box, I can actually explain how the two systems work together. Again, you can also add video here if you want to. Perfectly fine. Just watch the video before you put it in. Make sure that it's relevant. And then you'll be finished with the digestive and excretory system. And since we now have the rubric available, you can always go to the rubric and check and grade yourself to make sure that you have a nice appearance on your page, including all these parts, and that all your information is correct and not copied and pasted, or either giving credit where you got the information from. All right, so after you finish that, you can go ahead and start working on nervous and immune system or cardiovascular and respiratory. We want to get these 3 pages done this week. So home and skeletal and muscular should already be done. These 3 pages should be done this week, and then that'll leave disease and disorder for next week. All right, any questions you guys have, let me know. Knock it out. Have a great day. Bye.